Transfer your contents from Android to iPhone using Move to iOS application. Before you move your contents from your Android to your new iPhone, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, backup data. Make sure to back up all your data on your Android device first. It's possible that your iPhone lacks the storage space necessary to store all the files from your current Android device. Therefore, it is essential to first organize and determine which data you intend to transfer to your new iPhone. Back up your Android phone. Ensure that all your data is safely stored. Ensure adequate battery charge. And don't forget to double-check that both devices are fully charged before you start. Additionally, both devices can be plugged into the charger to continue charging during the entire process. The process of transferring data can be time-consuming and battery-intensive. It's crucial to make sure that neither device's battery runs out while transferring. Reliable Wi-Fi network. To ensure a smooth transfer process, please verify that you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, since the entire process is carried out wirelessly. By following these steps, you'll be able to smoothly transfer all your important files and information to your new iPhone without any hiccups. Bring the iPhone to initial setup hello screen. So, the first thing you need to do is make sure that the iPhone doesn't have any data in it on the initial setup hello screen. If you have a brand new iPhone, it will automatically open to the initial setup hello screen. But if your iPhone is already set up and working, we need to erase the data first. Reset iPhone, if it is already working. In order to erase your iPhone, go to your settings, then scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down again to find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option and tap it. Then click on Erase all content and settings option. This will delete everything on your iPhone, so make sure to back up any important stuff before you do this. Click Continue. Once your iPhone is erased, you can see the Hello screen. From the initial Hello Setup screen, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup, like selecting the language and country or region. After this, you will see the Quick Start screen, then select Setup Manually option, then choose a Wi-Fi connection. Connect to same Wi-Fi that you will connect to your Android phone, tap Join to connect to the Wi-Fi. Next, it will take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so wait for that to happen, and once activated, tap on Continue. Next, it will ask to set up Face ID or Touch ID, tap Continue and follow the instructions, or select Set up later in Settings. Next, you must enter a 6-digit passcode to help protect your data. After passcode confirmation, the setup will be taken to App and Data screen. Tap on Move Data from Android option. Next, you will see the Move from Android screen. For the transfer from Android, we need to use the Move to iOS application. To use the app, tap on the QR code button on the top right corner and scan the QR code using the camera on your Android device to open the Google Play Store. You need to download and install Move to iOS app on your Android phone. The Move to iOS app is Apple's official tool for transferring data from Android. Launch the installed app, agree to the application privacy and terms, then tap either Automatically Send or Don't Send to choose how to share app data with Apple. Next, tap Continue and enable location permissions if necessary. Tap Continue and enable notification permissions if necessary. Then a screen with Find Your Code will appear. Tap Continue. Here you need to enter the code from your iPhone to continue. On your iPhone, tap the Continue button on Move from Android screen on your iPhone. A 6-digit code will appear on your iPhone after some time. Enter the iPhone code on Android phone. A screen of Transfer Data will appear. On your Android device, select the content that you want to transfer one by one. While selecting the content that you want to transfer, the application might ask for confirmation. Choose Allow, and finally tap Continue button. You can transfer contacts, message history, camera photos and videos, photo albums, files and folders, accessibility settings, display settings, web bookmarks, mail accounts, WhatsApp messages and media, and calendars. If they're available on both Google Play and the App Store, some of your free apps will also be transferred. After the transfer has been completed, you can download any free apps that were matched from the App Store. Then, even if your Android device shows that the process has been completed, leave both devices alone until the loading bar that appears on your iOS device has finished. The whole transfer can take a while, depending on how much content you're moving.